Welcome to Upstalbras. In this video, I will show you how to delete Facebook account permanently from desktop on PC. To do that, click on menu icon, select Settings and Privacy, select Settings. At the left, under Account Center, click See More in Accounts Center. From the left, select Manage Accounts. Click Account Ownership and Control. Select Deactivation or Deletion. Select your profile. Select Delete Account option and press Continue. It will let you know that you will lose your Facebook Messenger access and all your Facebook pages that are under this Facebook account. And below it says, these friends, posts, photos, and saved items will be deleted. Press Continue. Select a reason. Press Continue. And here they will give you option to deactivate instead. Press No, continue with deletion. Permanently delete account. Before you delete, you can deactivate account. You can go to activity log. You can export all of your information. And if you scroll down, you can press continue button. And here they will ask for password to continue. Provide your password and press continue button. You'll have to confirm one more time that you want to delete your Facebook account. After that, you'll be logged out from your Facebook account. Messenger and all pages under that Facebook account will be deleted with this Facebook account. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.